So clean!
MashaAllah, beautiful fade, brother.
Welcome to Dubai. Style guarantee.
Trick or treat. Treat.
All the videos you have seen right now, I have cloned using the Yapper. So with the Yapper, I can clone these viral videos and make a fresh new one for me here. So all I need that video link. For example, this is the Instagram with a viral video around the 500,000 plus likes. So I got the link here, just copied on the Yapper, and it gave me the professional expert prompt here. All I need to click here on the use this prompt, and then it will create or clone that short video for me. So this is just the 2 steps. Under few minutes I have cloned the video here. So right now I'm going to show you how you can use this platform, and there's the lifetime deal that is going on. So this is the Yapper lifetime deal available on the app Sumo. This is recently added. You can get it starting from the just $49. If I go to its features and the pricing, here you can see we have the monthly credits per month, and when you get its lifetime deal, this is the credits you are going to get every month. Okay, starting from the $49, I can get the 1000 credits per month, and the video limit is the 8 seconds. But in the platform I have checked out, for the few videos I can generate up to 25-second video. I will show you how. Okay, how you are going to clone the viral videos, either it's on the Instagram, TikToks, or even on the shorts. All we need the link of that video, and after that we are going to go on the Yapper, just clone it. It is going to find out the prompt in this prompt extractor feature. Okay, and after that we will use that prompt to turn or create or clone this similar video for us. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So hey guys, this is Basant here. In this video I am going to clone the viral videos using the Yapper. Right now this is the platform you can use to generate the videos out of AI using the Veo 3.1. we have the Sora, we have the other AI models as well. Not only that, I can create the lip sync videos, I can create the product demo videos, I can create the promotional videos, I can generate the images. So many things I can do in the under the one platform here. So when I click here on the create the video here, okay, now we have the video gen option available. So in the video gen, all we need the either start frame, end frame, and the text prompt. After that we can use the popular AI models like the Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Vaughn 2.5, and we have also the Kling and the Helio. So again, this is really cool thing what I like about the Yapper here. So right now for this tutorial I am going to clone the viral video. So I will go to the Instagram, find the any viral video that I can just get the link here. Okay, I can go to also on the shorts, I can also go on the TikTok here. So all the platforms is support here. So I got the link from the this viral video about trick and treat on the Halloween. I got the link here. Get to the Yapper. Here's the feature available, that is the prompt extractor. So in this feature, all I need to paste the link of that video here. Okay, it can be from YouTube or the TikTok as well. For example, might be possible that the for few video links you cannot get the video URL. So what you need to do, you have to click here on the select from the library, and then you have to upload the video here. Okay, for few videos I have seen this error here because those videos link is not publicly accessible. Okay, so that way you need to download the video. So you can just go search the any Instagram downloader, YouTube source downloader, download the video, paste here. Okay, so once you paste the link here, it is going to find the video for you. This is how it will look like, and this is the same video on the Instagram. Okay, now I will click here on the guess the prompt. Now it is going to analyze the video with the every frame and then generate prompt for me. So this is the prompt. Okay, now I will click here on the use prompt, and now it is going to preparing the media or the images that later on will turn into the video here. So I got the video prompt, and here if I have the start frame and the end frame, I can upload. Then I will select the AI model I am going to use to generate the video. Right now we have the 3.1 Sora and the Vaughn 2.5. I am going to use the Veo 3.1 right now. This is really crazy results giving out. Okay, so I have selected that one, and again I can select the mode, that is the quality. The video duration I am going to go with max out the 8 seconds, and this is the layout of the video. I will go out here on the let me go with the horizontal or vertical format. I will love to do it here. So once everything is selected, I will click here on the continue, and then how many the outputs I want of this video. I want the one output. Click here on the agree to terms and conditions, generate the video. Now it will start generating out the videos. Okay, so I already created the few videos on this one, like this is the video I have created, and let me play it for you while also giving out or starting the video. I have just generated this video.
Trick or treat. Treat.
Okay, see, this is the power of this Yapper platform. Within just few minutes, I cloned this viral video here on the same format, same framework here. The things I have also tested out with other platforms as well, like I just cloned this video with the 1 million views here. Okay, first let me play this video. See, okay, so now I have cloned this video here, and this is the cloned video.
Ready, my friend?
First, let me pause this
Alright.
video.
5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds,
Yeah.
1 second.
Ready, my friend? Just press.
Alright.
5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second.
See, similar video it has generated. Okay, and look out this video here that I have just cloned.
Ready when you.
Okay, this is the version 1, and this is the another variant I have created. And not only that, I can also extend this video. Right now this video is around the 8 seconds. So when I click here on the details, okay, I got the option available, that is the extend video. So I also extended this video, and let me show you the extended version. This is the extended video.
Yeah, we just finished the big fight scene. It looks amazing.
I should be done here in an hour or so.
So not only you can just generate the videos with the shorter length, but you can also extend that. So while talking out, this new video is also generated. Let me play it for you.
Trick or treat.
I treat.
Really amazing results, guys, really amazing. So this is so powerful tool. I have already created detailed videos here on my channel. For example, I created detailed tutorial on the viral UGC ads you can create with the Yapper. I have created deepfake videos you can create with the Yapper, and here's a detailed tutorial on the Yapper that you can use creating the viral AI videos here. Okay, so these 3 videos link you will also find in the description. So right now this is what I want to show you about the Yapper. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to check it out the more videos, just check out the description below. You will find the videos. That's all for today's video I want to talk about. So this is the quick video I have created on the Yapper. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this detailed demo and the tutorial of the Yapper. So if you want to check it out, it's lifetime deal. The link will be given in the description, along with what I suggest go with at least it's tier 2, because it will give you the 3000 credits per month, and along with all the features enabled for you. And there's also the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not happy, just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be backed. So that's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.